Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. Before we start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The project we're going to be talking about today is called Global Pet World Limited. And obviously this is an amazing NFT that's coming out right now. I'm going to go in great detail and break down the whole website for you. I'm going to show you and talk about what the pet world is and obviously what this whole NFT is going to be about. Now, before I do that, I want to mention something which is very important for many pet lovers, and owning a pet is like having a child. And obviously they consider the pet as family members, and these family members deserve to be entertained and pampered. Global Pet World Holidays, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Wisdom Come Group in collaboration with Amber Group, will be launching the world's first global pet theme park, welcoming pets of all descriptions along with their owners and other pet lovers. The concept is novel yet classic theme park and membership club concept, and leverages distributed ledger technology to scale customer engagement, raise funding, and operate club membership rewards, access control, and internal club payments, which we're going to look at in a second. As I scroll down, I want to show you what the pet world is. Obviously this is going to be based in the Hong Kong and the Metaverse, I'm going to talk about in a second. And I love the fact how they mentioned this information, that do you have to leave your best friend at home because the venue you're visiting has no pet signs? Do you wish hotels and restaurants and many other places you socialize is also accepted your pet? Look no further. Pet World is that inclusive and welcoming place, opening soon in Hong Kong and then world over. And obviously the facilities they're going to offer, there's going to be hotels, restaurants, spas, pools, parks, gift shops, pet hotels, and a vet. They're going to have different membership plans. You have your diamond membership plan, obviously with the benefits and discounts of 80% on entrance fees, 25% on products, and access to all events with full access behind the scene, and upcoming token sale of 80% discounts on token worth $99,000, and a Ruby benefit discount of 60% on entrance fees and 20% on the products, with access to all events with partial access behind the scenes, with the upcoming token sale of 60% discounts on token worth $45,000. And then you have your Emerald and your Parabai benefits and discounts obviously as it goes down. So you have 20,000 worth, you have 7,500 worth, and that is how you can buy your NFT right now. And then you have your regular membership plans, which start from 1,500 for Sapphire, which is about 20% on entrance fees and free shipping on products, and upcoming token sale of 20% discount on tokens worth 1,500. And then you have your Garnet discount benefits of 5% entrance fees with worth $99. And obviously this is where you will buy by clicking on buy NFT now. You can buy your membership now, obviously, but before you do that, I want to mention that the pet world is already being built in the Metaverse, and the Amber Metaverse called Metaverse will host the project at a prime location on the virtual island of Hong Kong. More than 10 locations in the real world and the virtual world of Metasense are embarked for further launches of global pet worlds. Patrons will be able to give Pet World Club membership, like I've mentioned right now, these different memberships that we have through the ERC721 non-fungible token, the NFT. And the buyers of these membership NFTs, which I've spoken to about right now, will appropriately name Pet Paws NFT and will pay and receive the NFT into their Pet World wallets, and the NFT can be traded on a marketplace and tokenization platform, which will also host a variety of different digital pet assets, including memorabilia, ebooks, videos, and music. So obviously this is not just a simple NFT we're talking about. This is an experience that we're talking about. This is something that the global pet world is bringing for all those pet lovers out there, that they can actually get an experience on the Metaverse by getting this particular NFT. This membership you can get by contacting. If you scroll down, the contact us information is quite simple. You put your information over here and you send the message. And obviously we're always pleased, they say, to receive messages, even if it's just to tell us you like our work or tell us about your pet. Feel free to also contact us about partnership opportunities in your business. So obviously this is something which will all blow up massively in the Metaverse in the coming days. So if you are a pet lover, if you understand the concept, if you know what difficulties you tend to face, these are amazing NFTs to get a hold of. Now, the next most important thing, which I always mention in my videos, is the fact that you need to check out who are these people and who is behind this. So let's go scroll up and let me show you and tell you about the company. Now, when you go to the company, this is something very interesting. You feel the amount of interest and you feel the connection, the social responsibility Global Pet World tends to have. This is Global Pet World Limited. It's a Hong Kong registered company that is developing a unique concept in its hospitality and recreation called Pets World. In the real world, Pet World will be a collection of theme parks that cater specific to pet lovers and pets in fully inclusive and welcoming atmospheres. Pet World offers hotels, pet hotels, full boarding, restaurants, spas, pools, parks, and complemented by veterinaries, health facilities, and retail outlets. In the Metaverse, Pet World will occupy prominent location and will offer pet owner various games and opportunities to earn income accompanied by their virtual pet friends. And obviously the team behind it, the chairman is Mark Chan Young Tak. Mark is a successful entrepreneur, a CEO, executive director, and chairman of the board of a listing Hong Kong entity. His largest venture, operating the health and supplementary industry for pets and humans, led him to convincing of and launching of Global Pet World Holdings in the Pet World project. Mark has been in the space for over 15 years with extensive experience in product development, brand building, marketing, advertising, and retail operation. Then you have your advisors that are working with Mark in developing these, and these individuals have a ton of experience behind them. They're not individuals that have just thought of a plan and just put it out there. These are people who have been working in established companies, established organizations that have strategies in place, that know what they're doing, that understand the strategies, the marketing side of it, the development side of it, and that is why they're bringing an NFT that will literally blow every other NFT out of the water. And Global Pet World offers a reliable and trustworthy ecosystem to make its clients enjoy life. The company is focusing on developing and functioning of the theme park, and with the partnership with Amber Group, a top decentralized infrastructure technology firm that they're working with right now, will forever change how physical and digital ownership, possessions, and trading and communication takes place. And that is one of the main reasons that Mark is focusing. And the most amazing thing I absolutely love is the fact that they are featured on Taiwan news, and I want to show you this right now. They are actually featured in the news, and this is very interesting. Global Pet World Group and Amber Group will be launching Paws NFT on the upcoming Valentine's Day, pricing from $99 to $99,000. So just imagine how big is this going to be. And obviously, as you scroll down, you can see they already have a strategy in place. They're already launching this right now. There's a team working for it. There is a background to it. They understand how it's going to go about. You have all these individuals with so much experiences that are working on this particular NFT. And as I already mentioned before, the different membership they've mentioned in the news as well. So please check this out. They are a proper organization. This is not a random NFT. This is an established NFT. This is an individual. This is a company that is bringing an established, well-organized, a strategy-enabled NFT into the market. So you have to stay tuned. And the next thing I'm going to talk about right now is the fact is their roadmap. The roadmap is very, very important. The roadmap is literally the basis by which you understand where the company is headed. The first quarter in Q4 2021, the project was actually announced, and Q1 2022, right now, the project is launched. And the first quarter in 2022, the NFT membership is launched, and quarter 2 in 2022, the crypto token is going to be launched, and then the Hong Kong land purchase is going to be taking place, and Q3, the construction planning stage commences, and Q3 they will construct the tender, publish as well. And as you go to the Q4, the quarter 4, you have your membership portal and app launch and launch of the virtual app world. And by 2023, the quarter 1, the international project is going to begin, and the construction of a tender is going to be awarded. And by Q3, the Hong Kong theme park is going to be open. And obviously, as you can see, they have already put a strategy in place to make sure that they know what they're doing, and they've given a full understanding of exactly where this particular NFT is headed. Now, obviously, the most important element, like I mentioned to every single NFT that I do, guys, is the fact that you need to go on their Twitter, you need to go on their Discord, you need to make sure you understand and enroll and follow them on Twitter. The Twitter page is very, very important. This is where you will get all of their information. They have 4,339 followers. I'm going to follow them right now, and they have 4,340 followers right now. And this is the place where you will get reliable information. This is a place where you will get the proper information. So obviously you need to follow them for you to understand exactly what is happening with the Paws NFT, what are they bringing out, what information they're sharing, and what is the opportunity they're bringing to you, because this is an NFT that will blow every other NFT out of the water. Now, obviously, after actually following them on Twitter, the second most important thing you got to do is you need to go to their Instagram. Now, when you go to their Instagram, they've already have so much engagement on their Instagram. They have 4,031 followers, and I'm going to increase it by one right now. They have 4,032 followers right now. They have 9 posts and 6 people following them. And obviously the launch will happen on the upcoming February 14th on Valentine's Day. So you have to subscribe so you do not miss this opportunity. So please make sure you book that date on your calendars. 14th of February is going to be launch of the Paws NFT. And obviously, as you can see, the amount of artistic approach that they brought to the NFT, the amount of fun they're bringing to this NFT is quite unique. And this is what makes them special, because they understand what pet lovers want and what the community outside want. So in the end, the main thing you want to keep in mind is that they encourage pet lovers everywhere to help and grow pet worlds as a phenomenon that enrich lives in society. And they sincerely hope that, obviously, understanding all these aspects, this particular thing, that it will be appreciated. So feel free to contact them. Feel free to book this particular date of 14th February on your calendar, because this NFT is one of those NFT that is literally gonna grow immensely in the future. Until my next video, take care.